Today I'm presenting two ways to use Xfce in Termux. Method 1 is to use the Termux X11 application. Termux X11 requires Android 8 or higher. Method 2 is to use the MultiVnc application. MultiVnc requires Android 7 or higher. To complete the installation, I recommend 2 GB of free memory. Now let's begin the installation. Method 1. Open the Termux application. Command number 1. pkg install x11-repo. Command number 2. pkg install Termux-x11. Command number 3. Getprop. ro.product.cpu.abi. Remember the architecture of your CPU. Now we are going to download the Termux-X11 application from Google. Termux-X11. Add hyphen on. Application. Ro is this. Yeah. This is the architecture of my CPU. Download the Termux X11 application. Go to the Downloads folder. Install the Termux X11 application. Open the Termux application. Command number 4. pkg install Xfce. Command number 5. Termux-X11:1-xstartup dbus-launch -eggs- with -session Xfce 4-session quotes. Now open the Termux X11 application. The Xfce desktop environment is working perfectly. To finish, close the Termux X11 application. Open the Termux app. Press Ctrl+C. Command number 6. pkill Termux-X11. Method 2. Open the Termux application. Command number 1. pkg install x11-repo. Command number 2. pkg install tigervnc. Command number 3. pkg install xfce. Command number 4. vnc server-kill:1. Command number 5. Getprop vendor.display-size. Command number 6. vnc server-geometry 1280x720:1. Create a new password and enter it here. Enter the same password again. Command number 7. Export display equals :1. Remember this. Command number 8. Ifconfig. Remember this. Command number 9. dbus-launch -exit with -session start xfce4. Now open the Google Play Store. Install the MultiVnc app. Open the MultiVnc application. Here, enter the password created in the previous step. Excellent work. Now close the connection. Open the Termux app. Press Ctrl+C. Press Ctrl+C. Command number 10. vnc server-kill:1. Thanks for watching.